How much we collect off $100 worth of sushi? I'm at 70% on my acceptance rate. I'm good for Top Dash, but I want to try to get it up to 80. Let's see what we can get. First order of the day, what's it gonna be? Earn the Top Dasher large order program account.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Look at that. First order, $9.25 plus. Total will be higher. 11 items at Fushi Suji. That's a large order right there. That's a catering bag order. Go ahead, check the subtotal. Look at that.
Yes, sir. Yes,
$113 worth of food. Let's go. Arrived at our pickup destination. As you can see there, it says take a photo of your catering bag. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and hit that button there. We're gonna pick that up. There's my catering bag there, and we're gonna go ahead and boop, snap a good old photo of that real quick. Let's go ahead and throw that phone back down, and let's confirm that photo. Photo is submitted. And boom, just like that. Now I'm good to go in here and pick up these 11 items. On the catering orders, 9 times out of 10, they be ready when you get there. So we can go ahead and close that up. And I'm gonna go ahead and zip it up. Zipped up. Alrighty, now let's get that order delivered. So we are 1 minute away from delivery. Total time on this delivery has been about 18 minutes. I accepted this order at 6:12 and the time is now 6:30. I'm a minute away from drop off, and it's leave at door. So we're gonna take a picture of it, leave at door, and we're gonna go ahead and collect this nice juicy tip that we're getting off this great order. If you're not already in it, I will highly recommend that you apply for the large order program and the pizza program, because just those 2 things alone can drastically increase the amount of money that you're able to earn using Doordash. And that's not to mention if you multi-app using any other apps. So catering is where it's at. Get you a catering bag, get in that large order program. How much we collect off $100 worth of sushi? Woo, look at that. $33.13. That's a $28 tip for 20 minutes of work.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.